I'm Shardul with the Paperpal Product Team, and today I'm going to show you how to get a journal specific and customized case report outline using Paperpal. If you have used the case report outline, which is provided inside template, you would have noticed that the subheadings are standard. Now, the reason why these subheadings are very specific in the output is because these are meant to be indicators and landmarks to our users, informing them that a case report must have this information. But what if you are submitting to a journal that has very specific requirements and a completely different format? How can I customize the output to suit my specific requirements? Well, that is where I'm here to show you how you can do that with Paperpal. Assuming that you have some basic information about the case report ready, what you can do first is you can go to the journal guidelines. Now, here we use a very nifty hack. We set Control P and then save the particular guidelines as a PDF. Now, once you have saved that guideline as a PDF, you can use that as a file attachment with Write with AI. Write with AI feature, if you access it on a blank page, you can click the Write with AI button over here, or you can go to the Write feature on the right side. But if I click Write with I can now attach the particular author guidelines page that I have saved as a particular PDF. Now here I can say something like write case report outline using given guidelines. So what happens right now is that the write with AI feature, the AI that passes particular feature, will read the particular file, will give you an output that is specific to the journal guidelines. So here you will see that the output has been generated. Excellent. I will accept it. Awesome. So the output is generated and this particular subheadings and the headings that are provided, they are specific to my target journal. Now, once this is ready, what you can do is you can just select the entire text and you can either click this button that appears and say tell Paperpal what to write, or alternatively, you can select the entire text and then go to the write feature. Here, you write an instruction like expand this outline using this case information. And now you provide your specific case information that you would have otherwise added inside the case report template to this particular feature. And now we watch the magic happen. What happens is because we have selected the on-screen text, the AI will understand that you want to use the case information to expand on the outline that is provided on the screen. It will use that information and then personalize the output such that right now, as the output, what you have is, let me show you right here. Yep, you have an outline of a case report that is very specific and personalized as per your target journal, but at the same time provides you with sentence templates that is based on the specific case input that you have provided. So that is how you can customize your outlines using journal specific guidelines with a very nifty hack. You can do the same thing for research paper outlines or outlines of any different article types. So if you like this particular video and you want more such nifty videos, get back to us and we will write to you and we will create more awesome content for you. All the best.